Hey, what are you doing? You getting your diapers out of the dryer? Oh. Yes, you're a great help. There's still some more in there. You gotta get them out. Yep. Good job. Put it in the basket. Thank you. Maybe next she'll scrub the floor and get dinner ready. Yeah, maybe. One can dream.